In this tutorial, we're taking a pre-made design and turning it into a completely new invitation, just by making a few simple, intentional changes. We're starting with a birthday template, but instead of "our little wildflower is turning one," we're turning this into a "join us for a garden party" invitation to match the spring season. First, focus on the text. This is where the transformation really starts. Update the wording so it fits the new event and adjust the layout as needed. You don't need to overthink it, just make sure the information feels clear, well-spaced, and easy to read at a glance. Once your text is in place, create a bit more breathing room. Move your content slightly down to open up space at the top. Duplicate your existing graphic and place it at the top. This keeps the design cohesive while making it feel more custom and intentional. Finally, bring everything together with color. Switch the palette to a soft green to match the garden theme. This small change makes the entire template feel aligned with the event. With just a few quick updates, text, spacing, layout, and color, you've turned a basic template into a fresh, seasonal, sell-ready design. This same process works across any theme, any event, any niche. If you're ready to try this yourself, sign up for Template today and start creating your own sell-ready designs in minutes. And if you enjoy this type of tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support.